Angie, Angie, where are we?
Llegamos a Suiza.
I don't know, but we are at 9,335 feet,
No
according to
estamos-
my cheap Casio watch.
Estamos en el Bosque San Juan y este lago se llama el lago de la trucha.
San Juan National Forest,
Va a ser ahí un 360.
Trout Lake.
Estaba diciendo que nunca he estado en Suiza. Laura, colabórame, pero yo me lo imagino como así más o menos.
American Switzerland. Here we are, having some, guess what? Mexican food. The sky's getting really gray on us. Everywhere you look, you could see the storm coming. So we have to hurry up and wolf down these beans and get in the car.
Y así amanecimos hoy con esta vista desde la ventana.
We are in Telluride, Colorado today. Well, the rain is chasing us. Ladies and gentlemen, we have cleared the storm and currently cruising at an altitude of 9,975 feet. If you look to your left, approximately 9 or 10 o'clock, you will see peak. We are sleeping at 10,000 feet tonight. What? 8:23. We are in bed for today, right? Probably do some reading, some ignoring Tortuguita because he's so annoying. So we found a nice spot. And it's time to go to the bathroom.
Está frío. Vamos a ir al baño.
But I'm asking Angie, should I make one hole?
Ok, eso ahora. Vamos a pedirle que sí que me...
Or should we make two separate holes? What do you think, Angie?
Yo pienso que
let's
necesito usar el
bonds.
baño. Y a ver,
All right.
venga.
She's got to go.